There will be two speakers. One, Advocate Lion Unnati Durandar, and the second will be candidate himself, Lion Santosh Shetty. Your time starts now.
Respected presiding officer, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed delegates, and my fellow lions, good afternoon. Jai Maharashtra!
Jai Maharashtra!
Standing before you, I'm reminded of the famous Hindi verse of our late poet Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He famously said in our parliament, "Hey Prabhu, मुझे इतनी ऊंचाई कभी मत देना, हे प्रभु मुझे इतनी ऊंचाई कभी मत देना, गैरों को गले ना लगा सकूं, गैरों को गले ना लगा सकूं, इतनी रुखाई कभी मत देना." Ladies and gentlemen, the one person who is the embodiment of this principle of leadership and humility in public life is none other than our very own PMCC Lion Santosh Shetty ji. In the year 1993-94, Lion Santosh Shetty was the district governor and he won a hat-trick. He won not one but 2 awards. He won the 100% District Governor Award and the District Governor Excellence Award. In 1995, LCIF appointed multiple council chairman Lion Santosh Shetty ji as grant administrator to build 800 homes, a primary school, a primary healthcare center for those Latur earthquake victims. Council Chairman Lion Santosh Shetty organized the World Peace Convention. It was inaugurated by none other than the erstwhile Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. P.C. Alexander. And the keynote speaker at that event was none other than the Miss World at that time, Aishwarya Rai. From 1996 to 1999, he was the multiple chairman. There was a net membership growth, and Lions International honored him with the Founders Membership Growth Award for each of those 3 years. Lion Santosh Shetty has been a guest speaker at ISAME conventions. He has spoken at Beirut, Colombo, Marrakech, Nairobi, and closer to home, at Chennai. In 2017, he was the leadership team coordinator and created yet another record with 74% of clubs with CQI implementation. During the Lion Centenary year in 2017, Lion Santosh Shetty was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award. He has received the Key of State Award for sponsoring 75 new members. He's a proud recipient of 8 International Presidential Awards, 3 International Leadership Awards. Hold your breath, 12 International President Certificates of Appreciation. Lion Santosh Shetty is a progressive Melvin Jones Fellow with 10 diamonds and 2 sapphires. There's hardly a convention he hasn't attended. He has attended 20 international conventions. What better qualification would you require to represent you as international director other than PMCC Lion Santosh Shetty? Fellow Lions, with folded hands we seek your blessings, good wishes, and of course, your vote for Lion Santosh Shetty. Thank you.
उन्नति, आप जितने सुंदर हैं उससे बेहतर आपके लफ्ज आए मुंह से।
Thank you very much. Chief guest of this morning, Vijay Kumar ji, you suggested कि ladies को आगे जाना चाहिए, and that's the reason I saw to it that my nomination speech was given by one of the present club president and zone chairman, Unnati Dhurandhar. आदरणीय काउंसिल चेयरमैन और दोस्तों, बड़े प्रेम और सम्मान के साथ आप सबको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मैं यहाँ पर कुछ भी देने नहीं आया हूँ, लेकिन आपके जिंदगी में आपको अगर सफलता चाहिए तो सिर्फ संतोष ही दे सकता है, संतोष ही आना चाहिए। ना पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है। ना हारूंगा, हौसला चाहिए कुछ भी हो जाए, ये मैंने किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है। And that's the reason I've decided to take up this challenge of becoming the international director. Why? What does LION stands for? LION stands for peace and understanding. And we unite through kindness to serve those in need. This is one of the most important principles of LIONS. Today as an international director, what do you expect from him? आज जो हमारे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो इमेज बना हुआ है, इसको हम कैपिटलाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं। You will ask why? It's doing such a fabulous work all over the world, but we are not able to encash it. I'll give you a small incident. 2022 में यूक्रेन में जब वॉर हुआ और वहाँ के विंटर जो है एकदम सीवियर होता है और वहाँ पर रशियंस ने बॉम्ब डाल के सबके घर उजाड़ दिए थे। उस वक्त एक व्यक्ति ने फिनलैंड में सोचा कि अगर मैं एक स्टोव दे सकता है एक घर में, तो उस घर के लिए जो ठंडी के सीजन